And we're back to HTML text, and this time I'm going to show you headings. On the right hand side you see a simple text editor, and on the left I've got it displayed in the browser. And we are in the body, there are headings, and in HTML you've got level 1 or hierarchy 1 up to 6. And you can see on the left how that changes the appearance of the heading. Usually you write it like this, so an opening tag, then a closing tag. Let me save it, Ctrl S, and I reload it. Here's my heading. You should only use one heading of level 1 per page, but you can use multiple H2s, H3s, whatever you need. Technically you could also use multiple H1s, so it's not wrong to do that, but it certainly gives the user a better experience and is also better for search engines when you only use one H1 per page. Let me give you a paragraph so that you can compare the size. So this would be regular paragraph text style. And you can see that around level 4 the headings have the same size, and level 5 and 6 is even smaller. So what happens now if you, for example, use an H7 or H8? Well, at least until now that doesn't exist in HTML. So let me show you what happens then. So I'll make this one an H7. I save it and I reload it in the browser. And it's just displayed as simple text, so it looks like the paragraph. And if I make the second one an H7 as well, let me call it a 7-2. You can see that it's now in the same line as the first H7. So this doesn't really exist as a heading anymore in HTML. And same goes for H8 and everything after it. So only H1 to H6 exists. And the rest is then treated with the basic, so the default formatting of a paragraph text. And that's it for the heading tags in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.